back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. I realize not everyone is looking for non-phone or healthcare or those sorts of things, so I do try to throw in some customer service here or there. And this one is huge because this one is from U.S. Bank. They are hiring a customer care representative. Now, this is remote within the United States. Best part about this position, it is one of those jobs that you use to get your foot in the door and get more experience, so you have that experience to put on your resume, because they are not requiring very much experience at all. But of course, they're looking for a customer care representative to work in a high call volume environment, assisting with complaints and troubleshooting technical issues along with billing issues. You'll provide high quality customer service to merchants by responding to their inquiries regarding the support of merchant credit card processing, as well as other areas that are assigned. So you'll respond to telephone inquiries, requests and problems from merchants, troubleshoot, diagnose all of the merchant problems. It does require a high school diploma or GED and 6 months to 1 year of customer service experience. That is it. 6 months customer service experience should not be that hard to come by. Customer service does not have to mean on the phone, taking phone calls in a call center. It could be waiting tables. It could be a cashier in a retail environment. It could be babysitting. Anything time you have served someone. Now, they do want somebody who has great telephone communication skills, someone who can be a good problem solver and good computer skills, specifically use Microsoft Office. Now, they do provide paid training. They are trying to get their training class started on February 24th, so get those applications in because they will be doing all of the interviewing and all prior to then. They also offer a comprehensive benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. And speaking of pay, they pay anywhere from $20 an hour up to $22 an hour. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for things to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.